Hello, people. I'm Roshni. Welcome to Entertainment Express Season 1, presented by Triangle Entertainments. Title sponsor Eye Candy Gifts. Surprise Pannunga Nanba. Editing partner Dreamcast. Skincare partner The Dusty Magic. Believe in Nature. So, இன்னைக்கு யார் நம்மளோட கெஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா சசிகலா பாஸ்கரன். வெல்கம் சசிகலா பாஸ்கரன். நான் உங்களை மேம்னு கூப்பிட்டே பழகிட்டேன். பட் இன்டர்வியூக்காக நான் உங்க பேர் சொல்றேன். ஏன்னா வந்து ஷீ இஸ் மை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாஸ் அண்ட் ஐ ஹாவ் டு டெல் யூ திஸ் அண்ட் ஐ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டார்ட் வித் கிராட்டிடியூட் கால். கண்டிப்பா தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் மேம். I am who I am today because of you. So thank you so much. So she is an extraordinarily talented woman who is an entrepreneur and owner of an event management company called Wedding Chakra, which is my first company, of course. So she is an MBA graduate who worked with big brands like Amroon and Barclays as a relationship manager. Her life partner is her business partner too, and they are successfully running Wedding Chakra for 8 years now. They are so well known for their amazing decor across Tamil Nadu, as big names of both cine industry as well as business world are their clients. So with keen eyes for detailing and hands-on experience, their company has landed on pages of JFW and Wedding Vows magazine. They have also featured on Kalenga TV a couple of times. The crew has pulled bespoke weddings for Madras Jewelers and Diamond Merchants Association, Chalani Jewelers, Murari Sweets, music director Vinayaga Murthy, and many more celebrities and business giants. So welcome to the show, Entertainment Express. Now I'm so happy now.
So yes, is it my time to talk or still you have some more introduction? Thank you, Rosh. How are you?
I am so fine, ma'am. I'm so fine.
Yes. So I guess that is an enough introduction. And to be honest, this is my first ever show, a talk show. I'm doing it. And thank you for giving me this opportunity, because I never been in this 8 years of my journey as an entrepreneur. I never been in any of the talk shows.
It's my pleasure and it's my pride actually.
That's a big word and that's a good introduction. Thank you so much. It's good that someone is talking about you. Okay, we have traveled so long. Yeah, it's a big long journey. Thank you, Rosh.
Thank you so much for joining me, ma'am. So tell me, when and how did you decide to become an event planner? Of course I know, but still for the audience.
Yes. To be honest, there is no such plans. I want to become an entrepreneur in my life. It happened. Accident happens, right? So accidentally, I became an entrepreneur. One of my friends motivated me, not as an event management person. The first time I started a flower shop, a bouquet shop. So that's my journey starts, like into an entrepreneur journey. So Nila Blooms. So that's my flower shop. That's my base. That's my baby. So still I have my baby. So that's how my journey starts as an entrepreneur. And over the period of time doing a floral, I do door deliveries across India and Chennai, midnight surprises and everything. So that's how 2 years I was doing this flower shop business, and after 2 years I actually one of my clients forced me to do a wedding.
Oh, that's how everything started.
The journey of the event management started. So till such time there is no plans for me to join into an event management or to do something about wedding, because I don't have any idea, any clue how the wedding industry or the event industry works.
You don't say that.
It happened. And I'm very thankful, and yes, lessons learned enough, and it's all hands-on experience. And it was a very wonderful journey, I would say. Like, it's awesome.
I know, right? So why yes, I do. And I take privilege in saying that. So why did event management or event planning became so special for you that you wanted to leave your previous jobs for that?
No, actually I left my job, then only I started my business. I didn't leave because I started. So I took a dare step. 8 years back, I was working with Barclays as a relationship manager. So that's how, like, I quit the job and I wanted to do, see, there is always you, right? There is always an intuition in you that you want to do something on your own. So that was there, but I don't know what I have to do. So that's how the flower shop started. So once the wedding started, the event industry, I got to know about the event industry, and I started learning what event industry and how event industry works. So it's a very glamorous and thrilling industry.
Yes, true.
Like, I know it better. So yes, it is, and also it requires a lot of hard work and dedication. And yes, there are a lot of scope, enormous scope. So yes, that's how I really moved my passion and aspiration towards the event industry, and especially the weddings, because weddings are very intimate affair and very emotional affair, where I really want to be part of people happiness and their smiles. So that's how this wedding journey starts. But before that, I don't know how I messed up. I really want to give you that. Actually, my life partner is also a business partner. You gave a good introduction. So Vetri and myself, we both have the same aspiration, and we both have very big plans of, we had a big plans of wedding and stuff at the time of our courtship. So that's how, again, this wedding industry journey evolved into a big thing. It's because of Vetri as well. It's not only my dreams, it's both of our dreams. He also had a lucrative career, but he quit everything and he joined hands along with me, and we started from the scratch. And it's because of him what we are now. It's both of our hard work. It's not only me. So
I know that, right? Because every single day you both sit and do brainstorming, and so while you're saying that, I just wanted to also ask you, when did you start Wedding Chakra? Because having your life partner as your business partner is really difficult. Sharing the same passion itself is like some level ahead, I would say. So when did that start, and how did you decide, and what is happening currently, and what are the future plans for Wedding Chakra?
As I always say, I mean, you would have noticed, whomever I talk to, Vetri is my good business partner than a life partner. I always say that. Because our business wavelength matches a lot. Like, we both think in a very different angle, and we both are a good team player when it comes to our business. So that helps us a lot. So I don't find a couples working together or doing a business together is not a bad thing at all. It's a very best thing what happened to me. So that's all.
I think most of the couple don't do that, because there is a fine line between professional life and personal life, and you both manage to do that so well, and that is the reason I would say, like, Wedding Chakra is successful. And you were saying about the current happenings in Wedding Chakra.
Yeah, current happenings. Like, COVID-19 has a big toll in all the industry. It's not only affected the wedding industry and all the industry, but I would say wedding and even industry affected the most. It's worse. So yes, now we are doing a lot of intimate weddings. See, what happened is we adapting ourselves or reinventing ourselves for the art of craft to run the show, because we really have to stand in the market. Adaptability is the main key over here. So yes, we adapting ourselves to match the marketing needs and something called the new normal. So yes. So we are going with the flow, and we are positive and hopeful in the future, because it's a very short-lived this pandemic that we strongly believe in. And there is a saying they always say, the life of a wedding planner is a life based on the calendar. So our life is based on the calendar.
Yeah. So true. So when you said that, you grew both you and Vetri sir, when you grew this passion together and opened the company and running successfully for 8 years, how do you manage multiple events? Because it's not a joke, because weddings are, as you say, intimate affairs, and when you miss the smallest of the details, gone is gone. So how do you manage that?
See, there are struggles. Yes. See, the main to be a successful event planner, the main thing is to maintain your composure. Things go wrong. Often they go wrong. So, how are you managing? How are you planning? That is more important. Yes, we struggle. We also had hard times, and we managed to cope up with that. Yes, the challenges are there. But I don't find these challenges into a other way. Like, what do you say? Like, we plan. There is always a plan A and a plan B.
Yeah.
So we always have a plan A. If it fails, always there is a plan B. So we plan properly, we organize things properly, and we have a wonderful team. So we always come up with a lot of do's and don'ts and a lot of things to go ahead. And what if the worst situation happens? How are we going to manage it? So we prepare ourselves for the worst than for the best. So it is easy for us to take it up, and it is easy for us to manage things and run the show in a very better way.
So brainstorming before the event, a lot of brainstorming before the event and preparation for the worst is
not really brainstorming. It's more of you putting together and empathizing yourself into the situation and taking a precaution and a preventive measure. That's, I feel like that is there with us, that we learn through an experience. We also failed, we also struggled, and we also had our own share of failures. So I don't want to talk about it. Let's talk something.
I think you are successful because of those now, because of those stepping stones, and I think that is what matters now, and that is what we have to talk right now, because that's in the past. So let's leave it in the past there. So we have spoken so much serious things, and I want to get into the rapid fire. Polama.
Rapid fire. Niye fire da.
Big words.
No, I want to talk about you. Is there a thing? Can I talk about you something? Because I really want to talk about you.
Yeah, of course.
I want to talk about you.
Of course,
you are the first. You have the honor of this. You are the first women employee of Wedding Chakra. You know it. After
yes.
Me, like, you are the first employee of Wedding Chakra. So yes, you always share a special piece of Wedding Chakra.
I know.
Yes, I. Glorious one. Always against me. Always on punctual. Roshni da. Never be on time.
Daily, ma'am will be like, you'll be like, what's the time now, Roshni? I'll be like, ma'am, this thing happened, that thing. Daily edachu onu solva, Roshni. Daily edachu onu solva.
But yes, I learned a lot from you, Rosh. I always wonder, you maintain the relationship even though you're not being part of our company, but you maintain that relationship throughout the years. That's something really wonderful and nice of you. You always keep me in your heart, like every time, because we share a lot of personal
special. Yes.
Yeah, yes.
So special for me. You're so special.
You're ரொம்ப naughty பொண்ணு, ரொம்ப rowdy பொண்ணு. So that's all. Yeah, we can go on rapid fire.
Thank you so much. That was rapid.
It was rapid, yeah.
Yes.
Talking about you.
Yeah. So, okay, first question. I have 5 questions for you in the rapid fire. All right. So all the answers, as you know, you are also, decision making and everything. You are like that. So I know how rapid this can be. All right. So best part of an event.
Best part of an event? A cute smile. I mean, like, what do you say? The smile on the client's face and the tears rolling down after seeing your work. You know, that's something.
Yes.
The best.
Yes, for the best. I know. I have pictures of those moments too.
Yeah, that's unforgettable.
So, maximum number of events juggled in a day.
Juggled in a day. 4 events. Easily 4 to 5 events. We have done that too in multiple cities, not in Chennai alone. We have done in multiple cities.
Yeah. So 4 plus events is the maximum number of events that you do. Yeah. Okay, great. Super. One tip for being a good decor.
Good decor? Great team.
It has to come from one of the finest. So yeah.
Great team.
Great team. All right. Okay,
it's super. Team makes the great decor.
True. So 3 important things that you carry for a client meet. I know.
Confidence, smile, and a profile.
I I knew this already. I knew this.
I know.
So first official event that you did.
Official or social? Like
No,
corporate
official
or
as the brand wedding chakra.
as a brand wedding chakra. Shakti Mariappan. That's the first wedding event.
All right, super, amazing. Yay, you completed the rapid fire, amazing. So we are jumping
It's
into...
not so tough. It's easy.
Yes, because you're one of the finest and it's easy for you. Everything is so relatable for you and you have good
A
experience.
lot of learnings.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is the thing. So we are jumping into the second session, and roughly how many clients do you have?
Roughly more than 500 plus clients.
So
Yeah, 8 years. Easily. Yeah, easily.
it's very easy actually. I think you're giving me the numbers very less because 8
Less
years.
numbers?
Yeah, I guess so. That's what I think. Because
But
8
yeah,
years,
it would be more than
I
that.
know,
But okay,
'cause I
suddenly you're
worked for a
asking me,
year
so I just
and I know how
500.
many weddings we do and how many social events we do. So I think that's definitely like, no,
Then
but then
that.
yeah. So
Okay.
how did your family and friends, close ones, react when you told them that even management and being an entrepreneur is gonna be okay?
Right from my childhood, my parents have been very supportive. So from my side, it's not that difficult task for me to convince my parents for whatever I'm doing it. So it's not it's always a support system is 100% from my family. Friends, of course, whatever I do, my friends also supports me. So I didn't find any rejection or opposition or anything against my decision on entrepreneur journey. And of course, when you ask me family, now I'm a family person. So life partner and business partner turns to be one and the same. So there is no question of
What
opposition
can
or-
life be more?
That's my most
Superb.
cherished.
I have to officially say that so far with the women empowering women I have interviewed, you are the first person to have the actual family support and friend support, because everyone has told me otherwise.
Lucky. I'm
Yeah,
fortunate to
fortunate,
have them
very-
in my life, and that's how
I
I'm
think
here.
your parents are very much understanding and broad-minded.
I always say I'm
every
very proud
parent
of
should
them.
be. All right, so what are the struggles that you faced career-wise? Because family and friends now, they have been supportive. That's the moral support that you had.
Yeah,
But,
that's
you
moral
know,
support. Yeah.
That's as I said, that's a moral support that you had. But world is not the same. Like your family and friends. So what did you face career-wise? What are the struggles that you faced?
It's a business start from the scratch. We don't have anything. So no contacts. That too, I'm from Tirupur. I'm not a Chennai-based person, so I don't have any contacts over here. So we started everything from the scratch. So yes, what matters most, we made the client satisfied. So that's how our business grew. It developed, and we have grown gradually because of the client satisfaction and the word of mouth. Nothing else. And hardly we are into. Myself and Vetri, we are into social media, so we are not much person into a social media. So now we have to. So slowly we are doing that as well. But yes, the struggle was there. Like for every business, there is a struggle.
She says
We also
slowly,
faced
but
all
look
kind
at
of
their
things.
Instagram page, Wedding Chakra. I have to tell that. She says
Oh,
slowly, but take a look at their page, Wedding Chakra.
The work is there, but yeah, that's still a slow process, I would say, for the people who's doing. I could see the competition, the way high and everything. Yes, we are still a slow runner. I agree to it, but we are not. We're not giving up any other way. That's the point here.
Yes, amazing, superb. So I have to get you to the photo session because I want to
Photo
run
session.
some.
What
Yes.
photo session?
So I will show you 5 pictures from your career as well as your life. It's juggle, and you have to tell me what are the memories that rekindles from that photo. Right?
Yes, of course, it's me. It's one women show. Myself and sir. ரெண்டு பேர் மட்டும்தான் we will be there at the time of inception. Yes, we used to take care of the entire show. It was my first baby, a flower shop. You know this ASM petrol bunk, which is there next to airport. That was that's a first retail shop.
An eternal bond is what they
yes. It is always there. It's very close to me where we work way hard. We used to wake up by 5 to 4 o'clock in the morning. We used to buy all the flowers. நாங்களே தான் போய் வாங்கிப்போம். நானும் சரந்தா we do every work because அப்போ வந்து மேன் பவர் கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சு. So we had a lot of struggle in getting a good skill, for this floristy thing. So we both did everything. It was a very wonderful period, and this was the time like myself and sir, we understood each other, like what our likes and dislikes, and it gave me both my profession as well as my life. So I'm forever grateful for this Nila Bloom Flower Show.
So next picture. So where was this taken? And I know amazing decor behind this from Wedding Chakra. So who are these people and what is happening in the picture?
I'm not getting it. Okay, I'm getting it.
Now can you see it?
Yes. Oh my god, this is before COVID.
Oh.
Before COVID era. அப்படி சொல்லிக்கலாம் நம்ம. So this is on this January 2020 Sheraton Grand. We did 3-day big fat wedding.
Nice.
So that's a wonderful setup. So it's a 3-day wedding we did. So that's the stage, and it's our entire team with my beautiful designers and event coordinators, and all my pillars are standing.
Amazing. And sitting too.
Yeah. Sitting too.
Super. Aww. Who is this?
This is also something I want to share you. Like we hardly had 1 hour of time to transform the entire space. So this is like in 1 hour we did 60 feet stage in ITC Grand Chola last year. So yeah, it's an unforgettable day. Like we transformed the entire space within 1 hour of time. So I just wanted to make that the memory to be captured. So that's the picture. You know about me, I'm generally not a camera person. I always go away from the camera.
Isn't that
like to
Sasi
pose
ma'am
at all,
really?
but this-
Yes,
yeah.
all of us will say like, ma'am, please stand, ma'am, please stand.
Yeah, this
You
I
will take a
really
selfie.
wanted to catch. Yeah, because
Nice.
the precious, 1 hour the entire thing we transformed it that to a big stage, a 60 feet stage. It's not an easy thing,
Easy
and
thing,
even
yeah.
plan of how it works. So yeah, I just wanted to have that memory to be with me. Another
At last, you wanted to take a picture, and that's why you're standing there.
this picture I wanted to take intentionally.
It's impossible to get a picture of you. I know that.
I don't like to.
I know. No selfies, no cameras. Super.
That's a block in my mind. I slowly want to get over it. Let me see.
Please.
This is, a first big fat wedding in the year of 2014. That's the first big fat wedding we have done. That's an entire wedding planning. It's not just a decor. We did an entire wedding planning. And for a wonderful family, Chandranarayanan sir. So that's it. I was newly married. You could see me.
Yes. Yes. That's a big yes.
Yeah, 7 years back. It's very nice. So that's the day, like we all took as a group, as a team.
Yeah.
And it's always, I strongly believe it's without the team, without you, everybody who contributed with Wedding Chakra and shared our values and policies. We are always grateful. Without team, we are never there.
You always say that.
Not what I am. It's all because of the team. I strongly believe in that. Team effort makes a great effort.
Amazing.
So that's my first big team.
Big Big team and big wedding.
Yeah,
Wedding
it's a
chakra.
first big wedding. Yeah.
What are you guys working there? Meet
Working
the
out,
team
Behind the magic.
Yes.
Yes.
So
It
what
is.
magic are you guys
It
working
is one
on
of the
this time?
prominent wedding what we have done in the last year, June 2019, Kumbhakonam Murari Sweets wedding. We featured on Kalangya TV also for that. It's again a 3-day wedding. An amazing family, a very, very cooperative family and a sweet family. Till now we are very good friends. So for them, like we were working, it's an on-site work, like it's working on the field work, photograph. It's not for the camera, it's working on
I know. It's
Like
very
we were
difficult. No
day
way.
and hard for the Kumbhakonam, and it's for the Sangeet event. Like we are checking the final output for everything, song selections and everything. So myself and sir were discussing about
I know it's a genuine candid because as I know about you, ma'am, it's not possible to take
yeah.
a picture of you unless and until it's a
You can also
candid.
see me. I am not like I was so dull because whole night we were working. The 3 days plan. It's a big fat wedding again. It's a big fat wedding, and like complete like
Yeah,
3
when
days like
it's normal wedding also, you know, it is a work of day and
it's
night.
a sleepless night.
Yeah.
Although it's 3 days and out of town also. Yeah, we work very hard.
Amazing. So we finished our photo session successfully. Alright, so we are jumping into the final session, session 3. So what is your most cherished moment in this entire career of 8 years with Wedding Chakra and the team, everything that is going so good? What is the most cherished moment?
My business partner turned into my life partner. So that's my most cherished.
Amazing. So, see, Wedding Chakra is doing all types of events. I know that, right? So, right from the beginning, it's not, we don't, stick with a particular type of event. But why the name Wedding Chakra? Even though we did do lots and different types of events.
Why Wedding Chakra? How the Wedding Chakra came up, right?
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
your
the
question.
name Wedding Chakra.
See, I this is my choice, not Sir's choice. So I just wanted people to connect as easily something with the wedding, because my main area and focus is on the weddings. So that's how the wedding came up. I don't know what to put next to the wedding. So that I was very much clear. Okay, I want wedding. So what? Something with wedding. So something with wedding that also should have some emotional and a spiritual connect as well, because it's purely related to the wedding. So I was like searching. That's how I read chakras. It's all about the chakra. So we know how the chakra works. It's an energy. It's a wheel for your body. So when I was going through all the chakras, there comes the heart chakra, which is the fourth chakra. So the heart chakra resonated with my mind. So immediately I liked it. Okay, the chakra is the one. I can't put wedding heart chakra. So the heart chakra is the one I want to do it. So the heart chakra basically, it is a chakra which is a bridge connecting between the physical and the spiritual world. The same way I wanted us to connect between the two souls. So that is one way. So end of the day, wedding chakra is associated with compassion, love and affection. So that's how I wanted this whole wedding thing has to be placed. So that's how the wedding chakra comes into the picture. That's the wedding chakra. It's all about balance and very calmness. And it's about for a serenity, maybe I would say. So that's it. That's
awesome.
The thing.
So that's how Wedding Chakra's name evolved. Awesome. All right. So last fun session, and I'm very, very sad now actually. Okay. So the game is called You or Me. Okay. So there are 5 questions. Right, and all the questions have 2 options. Okay, so it is option 1 or option 2. So if you are going to pick option 1 or option 2, all you have to do is put it on your finger. Option 1, option 2. So if the guess of yours match mine, or the guess of mine matches you, I get the goodies.
Okay.
I have goodies for you, so I get the goodies.
Ah.
If not,
Okay,
you get
done.
the goodies. Okay?
Okay.
It should not
Okay.
match. But I'm gonna win.
So confident you are.
Yes, because I know you. Adnala, I'm gonna win.
Then you easily framed all the questions by yourself. So that's why.
Whatever question I frame, I know you. So adnala vandu
You
onnume
know
panna
me.
mudiyadhu. Yeah.
அதெல்லாம் ஒண்ணுமே பண்ண முடியாது. Okay, done.
Okay, well, let's start. Okay. Personal events or corporate events? You should not change.
I know you win.
Yeah. So, home weddings, or which means Indian weddings, which is happening in the same place, or destination weddings. All right. This is also easy for me. I know the answer, but still, marigold flower or white rose? I know white rose and marigold is one thing that you use in decor, but then you like white rose for yourself.
It is not what I do it in decor. It is what I like. That's the question, right?
Yeah. So I was like, sorry, okay. Because I know, see, that's how clear I am. Marigold flower, you like it in the decor. White rose, you like it
Yes,
for
yes.
yourself. Yeah. So I know that, but still, okay. Well, so that is one
But
win for
still,
you.
it's okay, Raj. Okay, you lose.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, I think so. So 3 questions are over, 2 more, okay? So balloon decor or light decor? The decor with lights or decor with balloons? Okay.
Yeah.
So last question. So any which way I won, because I got three answers right.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, okay.
Last question: pre-production work or on-site?
This is the easiest one. See, come on. It's not fair.
It is. Win or lose, you get the goodies. So it's yours. So I will give it to you only because I already have.
You have enough.
Yeah, I have enough. So
Take it, da. If you want, you take it, da.
no,
It's okay.
ma'am, it's for you only.
Okay. Thank you so much.
It's just you or me, and I just wanted to tell all my guests that I know you better. Whether you've seen me before or not, I know you better. This is what I wanted to do on the show.
So you know them better, and yes,
I proved it. No. All right. So, final question. What do you have
Final
to?
question.
Yeah. So, what do you have to say to the newbies of the entertainment industry? I wouldn't say final question, but yeah, almost.
And in the industry,
Event industry and entertainment industry.
right attitude,
Right attitude.
perseverance, because you need that consistency and persistence. It's all important, and a little knowledge about the industry.
Amazing. Super. So, if you want to thank someone, who would that
It's a long list, Raj.
be? I have all the time.
Because every part of my life, someone or other contributed, and I mean, like, it is not like in a simple word I can say thanks to them, and I'm forever grateful. I would say grateful is much more better word than the thankful word. So I'm always grateful for so many people in this world, each and every minute. Yes, of course, parents. They are like throughout my journey till now, they are very much supportive. Like without them, I'm not where I am. So that is one thing. And of course, my husband, who's my business partner also. So equally he shares my responsibility in every way, be it financial or a home or anything. Like, this is something interesting when you work along together, that nobody will get this kind of an opportunity. When you work together, you will know what I'm talking about. Until then, you won't understand what I'm talking about. So that's something very much. And of course, it's always my team who believes in us every way and every path, and blindly believes us. Okay, we'll show them a good way. So that is also there. So all these people and our great vendors, all the time, the vendor support. So everybody who contributed our growth, thanks to them.
All right. Okay. Amazing.
Yeah.
But I have to, that was the final question, and I have to let you go. And it's very sad
you so
because I'm
much.
seeing you virtually also after a very long time, I guess. So thank you so much for your time, ma'am, actually speaking.
My pleasure, Rosh, and thank you so much. It's really wonderful, and yes, my first show, so I'm really happy and honored to be part of it. I would say that.
That's
and
a
thank
big
you so much,
word.
Rosh, and keep up your spirit and great doing. And I always envy you for your multiple personality, talent women, because you juggle with so many things, which I cannot do. So hats off to
It's
you.
not true. It's not true.
No, it is. So, and yes, you are always my rock star. Great going.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you very much for your time. All right, so that is Sasi for you guys, and I will see you in the next episode of Entertainment Express Season 1, presented by Triangle Entertainments. Title sponsor Eye Candy Gifts, surprise Pananga Nanba, editing partner Dreamcast, skincare partner The Dusty Magic, Believe in Nature.